Welcome to my channel. The 1950 Mercury Monterey stands as one of the most iconic American cars of the post-war era, embodying the bold styling, innovation, and cultural significance that defined the 1950s automotive landscape. Introduced as a special edition to commemorate the start of a new decade, the Monterey was Mercury's answer to the increasing demand for stylish, upscale automobiles that still offered performance and practicality. It became more than just a carrot, became a symbol of status, freedom, and the American dream. Built on Mercury's full-size platform, the 1950 Monterey was essentially a high-end version of the Mercury 8, differentiated by a host of trim upgrades and exclusive styling cues. Most notably, the Monterey came only in a two-door coupe configuration and was adorned with luxurious features that were not standard on other models. These included a padded canvas-covered top mint, the look of a convertible, and a more refined interior, typically trimmed in leather and high-quality fabrics. Its limited production nature made it desirable then, and even more so today, among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Monterey was powered by the renowned 255 cubic inch flathead V8 engine, a tried-and-true power plant that produced around 110 horsepower. While that may seem modest by today's standards, it was more than enough for spirited driving at the time. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, often with optional overdrive, the Monterey offered a smooth and dependable ride. Was a car designed for the open road, as well as the boulevard, delivering a perfect blend of performance and comfort. What truly set the 1950 Mercury Monterey apart, however, was its role in American pop culture. It became a favorite among custom car builders, particularly in the early days of the hot rod and lead sled movement. The car's long, low, and sleek profile made it a blank canvas for customization. Builders would often chop the top, shave the door handles, and lower the suspension to create a dramatic silhouette that still turns heads today. One of the most famous examples was James Dean's Mercury in the 1955 film Rebel Without a Cause, which helped cement the car's status as a cultural icon. In terms of design, the Monterey carried over Mercury's distinctive waterfall grille and curvaceous body lines that blended form and function. The wide stance, rounded fenders, and tasteful use of chrome gave the car a commanding presence, while the wide bench seats and spacious cabin made it as comfortable as it was stylish. It was a car that felt upscale without being ostentatious, making it a favorite among middle-class Americans who wanted something more special than a standard Ford today. The 1950 Mercury Monterey is highly prized among vintage car collectors and classic car show participants. Its blend of rarity, design flair, and historical significance makes it a standout vehicle from one of the most dynamic decades in automotive history. Whether preserved in original condition or tastefully modified into a custom cruiser, the Monterey continues to captivate car lovers around the world. It's not just a car, it's a rolling piece of Americana, a timeless testament to an era when cars were built with both style and soul.